Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to draw an arrow in AutoCAD. So let's start. For creating a arrow, you have to click on leader and select from where you want to start your arrow. It is showing straight line because ortho is on here. You can off the ortho and you can give name here. So in this way we can create a arrow. Let's say next one here. I want to start from here and now I will give name main gate. So you can draw a arrow with the help of the leader in AutoCAD. If you want to increase or decrease the size of the arrow, you have to select this one, type ch, change properties, and here you can change the size. I will give the size 8 and I want to change the color to yellow. It is too big for, so I will change back to 6. So once you update, your arrow change to yellow color. So you can change same size of the arrow into these arrows. Click on match properties, select this one, and now select this arrow and that arrow. In this way, you can apply the properties of the one leader to all other leader. This is the first way to draw a arrow in AutoCAD. If you want to create a dimension, you can also create the arrow with the dimension. You can see here. So you can change the setting of these arrows. Type D, dimension style, click on modify, select on arrow, and I will give here size 6. You can change the height here, let's say 4. Change color to green and I will change this color to yellow. Precision 0. Okay. Now you can see that we can create the arrow with the help of the dimensioning also in AutoCAD. If you want to simply create the arrow, you always use a leader here. So in this way we can create arrows in AutoCAD. If you have any comment related to arrow, please comment in the comment box.